Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, zoomed out 15-minute chart because I want to give an idea of how many floors there are, support levels, and generally where they lie. This is the 2079 all-time high. We've dipped below that a little bit on this news out of Greece. Basically, there's going to be an election on January the 25th, so the concerns are going to arise about who's going to win that election and what impact the victor is going to have on the Greek bailout. So we're right back where we were a couple of years ago with Greek news. Greek news can be very volatile. So you've got to, the last thing I thought I was going to be doing this morning is saying this is kind of a headline minefield market, but it looks like it's going to be, at least for the next month. Headline minefield stuff is you're going to get rumors out of Greece. They're going to move the market violently in one direction. Then those rumors are going to be proven not to be true, and the market's going to come back the other way and generally ends up pretty much right where it started. It's something that we started working on a couple of years ago. It's something we do in the room, and when it comes to European news, especially via Twitter, it's a good way to keep your head screwed on straight with respect to how the markets are going to react. This isn't a violent reaction down. We're down 4 handles. This is not some huge move down. If we do get a deeper move down, then there's a couple areas that I want you to focus on. We have these matching lows from Tuesday, right here, 71.72. If we break the former high, and it just got it back, so it's really got to break this area and seal it. You've also got the weekly pivot involved here at 20.80.30. If we break there and we get below 74, I think we'll certainly do 71.72. Beyond that, you get into a lot of these old floor areas that we did during the move higher. 63, 56, you've got middle band down 49.50 area, 36.37, and the real launching point for this particular move, 2028. So there's a lot to look at. It's going to be a difficult move to buy the dip on because there are so many layers of support. So if we do get a red day this week, and the issue is it going to be a red day or is it going to be the start of a deeper pullback? I think with seasonality and everything, the chances that it's just a red day that's a lot higher percentage outcome. The bears typically need news, and they've got a source by which they can generate news, either real or rumor, with respect to Greece. So I would expect much more of a two-sided market than we've seen for the last 5 or 6 sessions. All that said, we are still in holiday trading mode. Here's a daily chart. So we put in highs on Friday, 2088.75. We've backed off those a little bit, but we're still well above middle band, well above the 9-day. These were areas that were turned into resistance on the way down. After the 3 days in the channel, we broke back through. It's very difficult to see too much of a move down. I think everybody would welcome a move back to to the middle band area, somewhere between say 1252 and 2052 and 2048. That said, that's asking a lot of this market simply because there are so many layers of support between here and there. Anything is possible, but with the slow week, you've got to give your nod overall to the bulls. Okay, so everybody have a fantastic day. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, Princetontrader.com. Come check out the chat room. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well, everybody.